elasticity. Elasticity. I can't say that word. Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down below how your day is going. Mine is doing good because I have a brand new subscription for you called The Box. So this is by Fashionsta right there. Not Fashionista because I keep wanting to say Fashionista, but it is from Fashionsta. So let me tell you a little bit about this subscription. This is a newer subscription. This is $19.99 a month. And when I tell you that this box is amazing, watch out Boxycharm and watch out Ipsy because this might be my new favorite subscription. And I'm not kidding. So let's just see what is exactly in the July 2019 box. All right, I can't tell you how excited I am. I first heard about this box from the not so evil stepmother. She called me and was like, have you heard of this box? And I'm like, no. And if you don't know her channel, you need to. I will leave it down below, but she does a lot of like PI detective things with subscription boxes, anything beauty related. So she looked everything up. She actually put her video up yesterday, and so if you want to know more in detail how she looked it up to make sure this wasn't a scam, because when you hear $19.99 a month with the things that are in this box, you're like, is this possible? You need to watch her video. So then after that, a lot of you guys were DMing me and messaging me and leaving it in my comments about this box because I guess this was going around on Facebook. So I am definitely excited. All right, so let's open her up. All right, so right here, oh, things are falling. Let me put that back. That's what it looks like when you open up the box. And before I forget, there is a wait list on here because, I mean, when the Not So Evil Stepmother put her video up yesterday, I mean, it went right to the wait list, which I like that about a subscription. In other words, they're not adding and adding and adding all these people on there and then, you know, they're in trouble. So when they know it's enough, they put a wait list. And I like that. So I'm going to leave a code, not a code, a link. It is an affiliate link. I'm going to leave it down below. Get on that wait list because they're going to open up the wait list the end of July. And I'm telling you, it's going to go back. It's going to fill up very, very quickly. All right. So this is what it looks like. So like I said, it was $19.99 a month and the total retail value is $178. Now I do know that there are a few variations that you can get in this box, but this is just showing that I do pay for this subscription. All right, so that's what it looks like. So let's take the tape off and see. All right, so that's what it looks like. So it's packed very well. So let's move these squiggly things. And then look. All right. So the first thing I am seeing is by Queen. This is a beauty blender. Oh no, this is from Beauty Blender. All right. So let me read out what it says. I know these are what, $20, I think? Yeah. So this is from Beauty Blender. It says this award-winning original beauty blender that's been running the beauty world gets a majestic makeover. Now claim your reign on this flawless finish with the limited edition canister of the iconic blender. So this is $20. So I guess this one is called Queen. Right there, 20 bucks. You just paid for your box. This is $19.99. All right. The next thing is from Makeup Eraser, and this is BFF, so Best Friends Forever. So you get two of them. So you can take this apart. You can keep one for yourself and give one to your best friend. All right, so this is the BFF 2-pack, and this is $20. Now, one thing about this, make sure that you wash these first, and then it gets softer. Now, I'm going to be very honest. I don't tend to use these a lot because as soon as you use it, you gotta go ahead and wash it and stuff. What I do is I like going with makeup wipes, and then I go in with some kind of like balm and stuff like that to kind of break up my makeup, get that off, and then a cleanser. Like I have a whole routine, but I am glad that you get one of these and you get 2 of them, and they're full size. All right. The next thing you got is this gold foil mask. It says, I woke up like this. So this has to be a face mask. Eye mask, I mean. So where you be? So this is $4. It says, it's time to get rid of those puffy under eye bags and dark circles. In the most glamorous way possible, get ready for instant youthfulness with the gold foiled leopard print mask and send puffiness packing. Yes, yes, and yes. If this can get me youthfulness, I'll take 1,000 of these. Yes, please. All right. Oh my God, you're not gonna believe what I've seen in this box. I'll show you that last. All right, so the next thing we got is from Lorac, and a liquid lipstick. So this is $17, and this is a lip gloss, and this is in the shade. Oh God, I can't read it. Let me get my magnifying glass. Let's see. Muse, I think that's what it says. All right, so this is $17. So let's swatch it. Ooh, let me go in again so that way you can really see the color. Do you hear that outside? We have a basketball court and the kids are playing basketball outside. That's gorgeous. If I didn't already have lip gloss on, well, you know what? I'm gonna put some on anyway. Not gonna really be able to see because I already have lip gloss on, but I do like it. All right, so we got this. The next thing is something in here. Oh, what you be? Oh, this is mermaid oil. This is a facial treatment. All right, like that. So this is $39. This is Salt by the brand Salt. It says highly moisturizing yet light as a feather. This beautiful oil is designed to assist with improving skin elasticity. I can never say that word. I'll leave it right here. In one of my unboxings I did, I still can't say it. Elasticity. Elasticity. I can't say that word. Oh my God, I'm 43 and I still can't talk. Anywho, let's just move on. So this is $39 and I love to get any facial oil, and then I go in with, actually this is what I've been using every night. Then I'll go in with some kind of moisturizer. But this is a Sunday Riley CEO lotion. All right. Then we got Air Altier. This is an eye it's not an eye problem. It is an eye primer. I don't know if I'm saying that right. So I'm not even going to try. So this is $32. It says a high performance eye primer designed to absorb oil and lock down eyeshadow and eyeliner. Formulated with skin loving antioxidants and a sheer peach tint that works with every skin tone. And $32. All right, let's see the size. Let's see. All right. Wow. Well, I thought it was going to be a little bigger. All right, so here is the eye primer. Let's see. So it does come with like a doe foot applicator. All right, so I'm definitely excited to try that. And last but not least, we have a full-size Tarte eyeshadow palette. This is the Tartelette in Bloom. This is amazing. This is like a staple. I don't have this palette actually. And this is $46. And it comes in a box. Boxycharm doesn't have things come in a box. I mean, come on. Has the little paper that it usually comes with. That is the palette. And let's show you. Oh, that little thing fell out. So it does have a nice mirror, but these are the shades, if you guys can see. Oh Oh, I'm so excited to get that. Let me swatch a couple. And it feels like butter. So this is like a neutral palette, you know. You always need at least one neutral palette. Oh my God. Yes, yes, and yes. This one here kind of goes with my skin tone, but look at that. I love this box. Guys, I'm telling you, get on that wait list right now ASAP, because when they open up in a couple weeks, the end of July, it's going to go very, very quickly. I mean, you have a $46 palette in here, and it comes in a box. And this is only $19.99. I can't get over this. I was going to say Fashionista. Fashionsta. How the heck are you doing it? So, we have the Tartelette palette. Let's recap what we got in here. We have 2 makeup erasers. And it is from the brand Makeup Eraser. Even Boxycharm, you only get 1. We have a Lorac lip gloss, which, you know, this is right up my alley. Okay. We have an eye primer. What else do we got? We have a beauty blender, a real beauty blender. And we have this by Salt Mermaid Oil. And how much was this again? I mean, this is 39 bucks. So for 20 bucks, you pay $178. And I don't think there was any shipping. No shipping. So I'm going to show you. I paid $19.99. No shipping. The total came to $19.99. That's it for this box. I don't know what else to say. I know I'm being dramatic, but that's how excited I am for this box. Boxycharm, Ipsy. I don't know what else to say. Allure. I mean, be scared. Be very, very scared of this box. All right, that's everything, guys. Let me know what you think of this box. Do you think it's worth the $20? I don't know. Do you think I'm like overexcited? I don't know. Read me the filth in the comments if you think I'm overexcited. But let me know what you think of this box. Let me know, are you going to sign up for the wait list? Are you going to get on the wait list? Let me know. I am so excited to see what's going to be in next month's box. All right, guys, that's everything. Please like this video. It does help me out. If you don't like it, dislike it. But rate the video because it does help me out. Make sure that you subscribe and turn that notification bell on so you will know every time I upload a video and be on my future giveaways. There is a giveaway going on right now. It is in my Ipsy Plus video. It is right here. And I'm giving away some items from Boxycharm and from Ipsy. All right, that's everything, guys. As always, I leave videos right here if you want to watch more of me. I love you guys so, so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.